Yep. Yep. That was quite a storm there. Yeah, that was in the severe thunderstorm warning, the latest one at least. Capable of producing winds of over 100 miles an hour. Yep, and there's the severe thunderstorm warning for that same cell that passed right over. Yep, it says at 12:58 p.m. Central Daylight Time, National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a line of severe thunderstorms capable of producing quarter-sized hail and extreme damaging winds in excess of 100 miles per hour. And they were moving east at 45 miles an hour. The most intense winds were moving towards downtown Chicago and the north-south side of Chicago. I certainly like how it says, seek shelter now inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. Yep, that's the cell that did it. And as you can see, its core passed right overhead. Yeah, and now it's obviously moving out over the lake. And here we are after the storm once again. Yep, some branches right off Ray's tree. Got a branch down there too, off that tree. Well, as I got the frame back up, and in fact I discovered that this cable here has in fact snapped during that first big blast of wind, and that's why the canopy came crashing right down on top of me.